Good morning, class 9. Electromagnetism, that means electricity and magnetism. The last chapter of physics for class 9. Main objectives: Ohm's law, numericals, solution of numerical problems like voltage, current, power, etc. Logic, scientific reasons, proofs, prove that, and evidences that the earth is a terrestrial magnetism. Definition: magnetic lines of force, draw and their properties, differences between them, advantages, and some others. They are very important. And please see electricity for beginners. Yeah, students are allowed to read electricity for beginners. That is also very important. First, without wasting time, I like to write define resistance and write its laws, means factors. What is resistance? And resistance depends upon some factors. रेजिस्टेन्स भन्नाले कुनै पनि कन्डक्टरको करेन्ट रोक्न सक्ने क्षमतालाई रेजिस्टेन्स भनिन्छ. रेजिस्टेन्स के कुरामा भर पर्छ? लेन्थ बढाउने, क्रस सेक्सनल एरिया, थिकनेस, टेम्परेचर, नेचर अफ द मेटेरियल र सेपमा पनि डिपेन्ड हुन्छ. द resistance of a substance, the substance is generally a conductor, is the special property due to which it opposes the flow of current. Its SI unit is ohm. OSM, ohm सिम्बल चाहिँ यस्तो लेख्नु होला. यसको एसआई युनिट ओम हुन्छ. यो चाहिँ कुनै पनि कन्डक्टरको करेन्ट रोक्छ, त्यो करेन्ट रोक्ने क्षमतालाई भनिन्छ रेजिस्टेन्स. जनरली इन्सुलेटर्स ह्याभ हाई रेजिस्टेन्स एन्ड कन्डक्टर्स ह्याभ लो रेजिस्टेन्स. It is denoted by this omega. Ohm. SI unit ohm omega. And it depends upon the following factors. What are they? You have to write down following factors and how they depend. कसरी डिपेन्ड हुन्छ त्यो पनि लेख्ने. क्वेसन नम्बर 1. Resistance depends upon the following factors. What are they? Number 1 is length L. Resistance is directly proportional to length. See, it is short, long, low and high. When the length increases, resistance also increases. Another, absolute temperature T0. That means resistance is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, square root of the absolute temperature. It means more temperature, more resistance. Another, not in the book, thickness, small t, capital T, small t, thickness. See, resistance is inversely proportional to thickness. Thickness सँग inversely proportional हुन्छ. It means thin wire more, thick wire more or say high resistance, thick wire low resistance. A thin wire has more or high resistance, a thick wire has low resistance. And another number 4, अब cross sectional area. Cross sectional area A. Resistance is inversely proportional to cross sectional area. Small area, big area. See, when the area increases, resistance decreases. When the area decreases, resistance increases. जति सानो छ त्यति रेजिस्टेन्स करेन्ट बढी छ जस्ट लाइक रोड ट्राफिक जाम जस्तो ट्राफिक देयर इज नो ट्राफिक जाम भेहिकल्स क्यान रन फास्ट ट्राफिक जाम छैन अगाडि बढ्न सकिन्छ यदि ट्राफिक जाम धेरै जस्तो सानो ठाउँ छ करेन्टलाई पनि हिँड्ने बाटो कम हुन्छ सो रेजिस्टेन्स इज इन्भर्सली प्रोपोर्सनल टु द क्रस सेक्सनल एरिया एनदर इज nature of materials used. Generally, conductors have low resistance and insulators have high resistance. Semiconductors have medium resistance. Another is shape. The resistance of a coiled wire is more than the straight wire of the same quality and length. Suppose you straight wire some length, this one is same. Suppose x meter, this is circumference is also x meter. X meter लामो एउटा straight wire लिने the resistance of a coiled wire is more than the straight wire of the same quality and length. Same quality भए तापनि x meter लामो straight wire को resistance थोरै हुन्छ x meter long यसलाई गोलो बनाउने wire लाई coil बनायो भने यसको resistance high हुन्छ. Why? Because the coiled wire produces magnetic field which opposes the flow of current. यसमा magnetic field बन्दैन ओपन भयो यो चाहिँ क्लोज भएकोले magnetic field बन्छ यसमा resistance यसको भन्दा यसको हाई हुन्छ. Question number 1. Question number 2 last for today is question number 2 is state Ohm's law and prove that V equal IR with the circuit diagram. यसलाई सर्किट डायग्राम पनि बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. फर्स्ट सर्किट डायग्राम बनाउँछु म. सिम्पल सर्किट डायग्राम. सी वायर cell, battery, switch, any load, A, ammeter, resistor, voltmeter, B. What is this? Battery. It is a battery. It is switch. It is a bulb. It is wire A for ammeter. This is resistor. This is voltmeter. I have drawn the circuit diagram of a closed circuit. Cell, switch on, bulb, current is flowing, bulb is glowing. Wire, continuity, ammeter. The ammeter is measured in what? Measured in series to measure current. Resistor, voltmeter is measured joined in parallel. So statement: Ohm's law states that at constant physical conditions, the current produced or induced I is directly proportional to the potential difference V applied across the two ends of the conductor. अर्थात just Simon Ohm took one cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. First of all, he took one cell and measured the amount of current. And he increased the number of cells, like 1 cell, 2 cells, 3, 4, 5. And when he increased the number of cells, the amount of current also increased at the same rate. अर्थात सेल जति एउटा बढाउँदै बढाउँदै गयो, भोल्टेज पनि बढ्छ, पोटेन्शियल डिफरेन्स बढ्छ र अमाउन्ट अफ करेन्ट पनि बढ्छ. Ohm's law states that at constant physical condition, that means pressure, temperature, humidity, etc., the amount of current produced or induced I is directly proportional to the potential difference V applied across the two ends of the conductor. See, according to him, induced current is directly proportional to PD, or I depends upon V, or यो साइन हटाउँदा V by R, where R is the resistance of the conductor. Therefore, V equal IR. यसरी V equal IR prove गर्न सकिन्छ. See, what does it mean? It means that when voltage increases, current increases. When voltage decreases, current also decreases as the same ratio. Induced current is directly proportional to the potential difference at constant physical conditions. I depends on V, or I equal V upon R. यो R तल हुन्छ, माथि होइन. Where R is the resistance of the conductor. When resistance increases, current decreases. Current and resistance are inversely proportional to each other. Cross multiply, V equal IR. If V equal IR, can you write I equal V by R? And you can write R equal V by I. Sorry, you can derive. But main formula is V equal IR. This was for today, and tomorrow differences, logics, numerical problems, etc. Thank you.